It's that slap your mama right here.
What? Yo, say what, say what? Yo, what? Yo.
A little box vino can't hurt. Little Cabernet Sauvignon. Got some beef jus here. Let's just get a little seasoning. Let's just spice this bad boy up a little. Turn up the flavor on it. See, we smoked it for 2.5 hours. So just to get a little smoke on it, change the flavor a little. And now we're gonna just cook it in the oven, cook it off in the oven, seal it up for like 3 hours, 3.5 hours, low and slow. Just, you know, adding a little more flavor. Like I said, this is gonna give the jus, these little highlights will give the jus a better, deeper, richer flavor. Make a nice little, add some thickness to the gravy, because once it starts to break down, it'll just turn into like, everything will get married in a sense, you know what I'm saying? Instead of everything being separate, the longer you cook it, the more it breaks down, the more uniform it becomes. A little mirepoix, some carrots, celery, onion, some grape tomatoes, and some scallions, some thyme, some fresh garlic, a little beef jus, and some red wine. Celery. So what the red wine will do, it'll help also break down the meat to tenderize it. A little scotchy. You know I'm Jamaican. You know how Robert Johnson does. Stay tuned, 3.5 hours. Let's get some poof pastry, some slit, so it can breathe. Breathe again. Curry chickpeas. Yeah, I made it last night. This way it can just sit a little overnight, you know, let the flavors soak in. About 7 different cheeses. We have a sage derby, we have a port wine derby, some pepper jack, some Vermont cheddar, a couple soft cheeses. We have some boursin, nut assortment. Just a regular charcuterie, you know how TMP does.
So we got a party for 10. These are just simple wontons. We're gonna fry them up, little crunch factor. Some ahi tuna will go on them. A little soy, a sesame oil, some black and white sesame seeds for a little quality. And then they'll plop it right on top of this this crunchy wonton and you're good to go. So party for 10 people, Old Miss, Georgia game, Georgia alum. We're going out to Lake Oconee, which is 72 miles as the crow flies from Atlanta. Then the entree is short ribs. Rob smoked them for a couple hours before he braised them. And then shallot and leek mashed potatoes. Sorry for the eyes, I had eye surgery. Classic mac and cheese. And a little squash medley. And what are we finishing with? Banana trifle. So super easy tonight. These should be good. This is, now you're gonna put your mise en place in there, like your cukes and your cherry tomatoes and this and that.
Dressings?
Dressings?
Yeah.
You're gonna need some more of these now. Do me a favor, give me another stack like this, please. I don't care if they're white or black. You got your short ribs in the hot box.
Hot box.
I saw the salmon go in. That's already grill marked. It looks beautiful. You got the startings of your beurre blanc.
Beurre blanc's made already.
I see this motherfucker right here.
Stack.
Excellent.
Get me on 3 small ladles.
You can either that or you can use a large spoon. I saw your mashed potatoes.
In the box.
And I say you add a little extra cream to that so they want to seize up. You think you're good?
Yeah.
Do you want to bring a little extra with you or
I
not?
have some cream.
All right, cool beans. The squash you'll saute up there.
Yep.
Mac and cheese you're composing up there.
Yep.
I saw the rolls. We saw the black truffle compound butter.
Yes.
Negative. Find me. That's fine. Put those in because we'll use them. Hey, you know those large spoons for like big soup spoons? Get me 6 of those, please. Go in the back and you'll find some silverware. Can you go to that little red bag in there and grab me the little canisters of like applewood and chicory that are in little canisters? We'll send those up. I got tongs for the cheese board. All right, and we got all this stuff, man. So we are styling. This guy is set up for success. I just need, Alvis, do we have a large gray bin? Dry storage. Dry storage, sir. Oh no, we're good. That's exactly what I need, homie. And the other thing I need to get are these gray bins. Grab that one. Hold on. Oh, this might be the money right here. It is the money. Hey, nice to see you. You too. Bueno. Okay, cool. So, I pride myself on packing. And grab yourself a couple of extra disposables so you got some things to leave behind in their fridge. All right. This one, and then we'll come back to those. Don't kill yourself, get a card. Right, this Greg. Young man, he ain't gonna win. Yeah, like close to Publix is, baby. Have your way in.
Thank you guys, thank you Ryan. Thank you Rick.
Eye candy of your charcuterie display, right? Your two quadrants. So we'll start off with the cheese, because we say it's a cheese and whatever display. So cheese in a couple of quadrants, right? And then easily identifiable things. And then when you come up with the empty space in between, that's where you drop your crostini, that's where you drop the nuts, and then scatter some of those kisses around. You can use that later with the boy to say, hey, give this one, give this to your wife. Exactly, it's good play, it's good material. Good luck. Go serve some great food.
We have arrived, family.
Shelving space. I'll take one of those. It's just light.
That goes in the fridge. See what goes in here.
Okay.
We have a lot of stuff. That's a cold bag. In the bottom there, that's all cold stuff. All that stuff is going in the fridge right now.
Right here, right?
Yep. If you need to stack like that, get those out of the way. Just take give them one section with that. Try to locate the gloves.
I have some.
Oh, I have a box. Where did I put a box? In that cooler, I think.
Well, listen, I got some.
Hey, we got gloves.
Yeah. I always keep them with me.
This is chickpeas. Sink all the way. Let's get this. This is hummus. Hummus.
Same behind the chef.
Yeah, for sure. She would not be able to
something. These are no.
This is for a smoking old fashioned. You wet the wood and smoke it, and then it makes heat. You put the glass over top, smoke your glass. Smoking old fashioned.
Old fashioned. Got some ahi tuna. I'm gonna put some wasabi aioli on it with some tuxedo sesame seeds. Ahi tuna, wonton, wasabi aioli.